We're out here today. We're going to be giving the Farmall a bit of a workout. We're at my uncle's house. He needs a little bit of plowing done around the pile that he's going to burn so that there's no grass to catch on fire. Because this tractor has a 3-point hitch, we're going to be trying out his 2-bottom plow, which only has 1 bottom on it right now, because this tractor is also 25 horsepower, but it's much smaller, so it won't pull both bottoms. So we're going to try it with 1 bottom on my tractor, and then if it pulls it good enough, we'll bolt the other bottom on, which is right here. This is a Dearborn plow, so we'll get it hooked up and see how it looks on there. All right, we got it on there. Noticed a small issue. I don't have any sway links on this thing, so the plow has a lot of play in it. But we'll just run it, see what happens. We'll head out in the field and see if we can do anything other than make a mud hole. gonna hook the one bottom up to the Kioti, see how it does, and then we're gonna put the second bottom on the Kioti and see how it does before we put the two bottom on the Farmall, because that wasn't really working it very hard to pull this thing. Get this hooked up and come back. All right, we got her all hooked up. Gonna see what it does with the same amount of power and slightly less weight. Put her in four-wheel.
Four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive. Some good looking dirt. Got the second plow bottom put on, getting all the bolts tightened up right now. We might give it a test with this tractor, maybe not after the way it spun with the one. And we'll see if the Farmall has what it takes out there. It is a little bit wet out there. We got the Kioti back out, both bottoms, starting off in four-wheel drive. We'll see if it'll do it. Quite have it. Unhook it and hook it onto the Farmall. Not very deep. Come here, Stormy.
Good boy. Good boy. Better. We adjusted the depth.
Making a mess. I don't know. Neither one of the tractors plowed very good. His went deeper, but mine, for some reason, my geometry's not right, so it wouldn't plow very deep. But I'm letting Roy drive now because he used to ride on one of these when he was a little kid, plowing garden plot. So that'll do it for now. I'm gonna do a little drag race later between the Farmall and Kioti over there.
Fixing the drag race. I'm gonna beat him like a red-headed stepchild. He's gonna go home crying to his mama, just like a little girl. You watch.
After the Kioti couldn't outrun the Farmall, Roy wants a rematch, and he wants a rematch on his lawnmower. He's got a Ferris with 40 horsepower motor on it, trying to outrun a 80-year-old tractor. He's probably faster than his tractor, but we'll see.
Ferris.
All right, the Ferris was a better shot, but still didn't have what it took to outrun the Farmall. I was shifting between 4th and 5th racing this one. I didn't have to do that with the Kioti, but the Farmall had what it takes. Now we'll load it up and take it home.